Your cat pauses in the doorway, watching you quietly as you move through your routine. You assume they're just there, existing without much thought. But the truth is far more layered than that. Most people believe cats are distant and independent, needing almost nothing from humans. And without realizing it, they repeat small habits every day that slowly weaken the bond they think is already strong. Your cat has been communicating all along. Not loudly, not in obvious ways, but through quiet behaviors shaped by instinct and evolution. And when those signals are ignored, something slowly fades. But once you start understanding them, everything changes. The connection becomes real, and your cat begins to respond differently. 1. Provide vertical territory. Your cat jumps onto the back of the couch, then climbs higher onto a shelf without hesitation. To you, it looks random, maybe even a little chaotic. But this is something most people miss. Your cat isn't just climbing, they're trying to feel safe. In the wild, height means survival, because it allows them to observe threats and control their surroundings. That instinct still lives inside your cat today. When your home lacks vertical space, your cat feels a quiet sense of insecurity, even if everything seems calm. They don't feel fully in control of their world. This is why elevated spaces like cat trees or window perches can dramatically reduce their stress levels. It gives them a place to observe without hiding. And once your cat feels safe, something shifts in their behavior. They become more open, more social, and more connected to you. 2. Respect your cat's autonomy. Your cat is resting peacefully when you walk over and pick them up without warning. To you, it feels like a simple act of affection, but from your cat's perspective, something important has just been taken away. Their sense of control over their own body disappears in that moment. That's not a coincidence at all. For cats, autonomy is one of the strongest foundations of trust. When this control is repeatedly removed, your cat may begin to avoid interaction without you realizing why. They may leave more often or become less responsive over time. This is something most people miss. Real trust begins when your cat feels that their choices are respected. When your cat chooses to come to you on their own, the connection becomes deeper and more genuine. Affection becomes something shared, not something forced. 3. Communicate through your eyes. Slow blink and soft gaze. Your cat sits across the room, looking directly at you without making a sound. You hold their gaze, thinking it's a quiet moment of connection. But before we continue, let's think about what eye contact means in the animal world. For many species, a prolonged stare signals tension or threat. That's why when you stare at your cat, even without meaning to, it can create subtle pressure. It's not connection in their language. This is something most people miss. Cats communicate trust through something much softer, the slow blink. When a cat slowly closes their eyes in front of you, they're saying they feel safe enough to let their guard down. It's a silent message of trust. And when you return that slow blink with a soft gaze, something shifts between you. The distance disappears, and your cat begins to trust you more deeply. 4. Stimulate their hunting instincts. Your cat finishes their meal, walks away, and lies down as if the day is already over. It looks calm on the surface, but something important is missing. That's not a coincidence at all. Your cat's entire nervous system is built around the hunting sequence. Stalk, chase, pounce, catch, and then eat. This cycle isn't just behavior, it's how their brain expects life to work. When food is simply placed in a bowl, that cycle is broken. And over time, this can lead to boredom and hidden frustration. This is something most people overlook. When you reintroduce the hunt through play, everything changes. Use toys that move unpredictably, hide food, and let your cat work for it. Then always end the session with a meal to complete the cycle. And once that cycle is complete, your cat doesn't just feel tired, they feel fulfilled, balanced, and at peace in a way you can actually see. 5. Accept their need to be alone. Your cat quietly walks out of the room while you're sitting together. You call their name, but they don't come back. In that moment, it feels like rejection, but this is something most people completely misunderstand. Cats don't leave because they don't care. They leave because solitude is how they regulate their emotions. When they step away, they're not disconnecting from you. They're creating space to process their world in peace. But when this space is constantly interrupted, something changes. Your cat begins to feel a subtle sense of pressure. This is something most people miss. Respecting their distance is what makes your presence feel safe. And when your cat feels that freedom, they return to you on their own, not out of need, but out of trust. Your cat was never asking for perfection. They were simply waiting for you to notice the small things that truly matter. The quiet signals, the subtle movements, and the moments when they choose to come closer or walk away. Each one carries meaning. And once you begin to see your cat this way, something changes inside your home. The connection becomes deeper, calmer, and more real. So maybe the real question isn't what your cat needs. Maybe it's what you're willing to change. If this made you see your cat differently, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share your experience below, because every small insight brings you closer to them. And a sincere thank you to the Cats Explained production team for creating meaningful content that helps cat lovers truly understand their pets.